So I'm here at Goshen Junior High School for a band thing. And I thought I'd just give a real quick fire alarm tour. We're in the cafeteria right now, but most of the school has these Siemens rebranded Wheelock ZNS's. So that's most of them. A lot of them are mounted on surface-mounted wire mold boxes with wire mold coming down from the ceiling. But also, here's something interesting. I got a lot of these. Space Age AV32. I can't tell if they're light plate or strobe plates because of the frosted strobe. And then they've got vibratone horns behind them. Pretty cool. I've never seen these before. So I'll do some walking around. That's the only one in the cafeteria. Here's a ZNS on a wire mold box. Don't see any alarms down this hallway. Exiting the, oh, here's another AV32. Pretty awesome. And then somewhere down this hallway, there's another alarm down here that I just got a glimpse of. I think this is an FCI. See, they got Siemens pull stations, and then there's this Cerberus Pyrotronics something or other, probably an MTL. It's the only one of those that I've seen. And I don't want to wander too far, but down here, it's also a CNS on a trip plate. I think that's all there is to see. There's these smoke detectors, so I'll head back. But, yeah, just a real short tour of the high school fire alarm system. So, yeah, pretty cool.